Hey, it's Dustin, and I build beautiful websites for hairstylists and salons. So if you're a hairstylist or a salon owner and you want to get more clients in your chair, it's really important that you have your own website. And if you don't have a website right now, it's probably for one of two reasons. One, you're overwhelmed with the tech side of building it yourself, or two, it costs too much money to hire a marketing agency to build it for you. Well, if either of those are you, I'm excited to be able to offer you an amazing solution that's easy and extremely affordable. In fact, it's so easy, you don't even have to do anything. I recently developed a website template built especially for hairstylists to turn website visitors into clients, and so I'm going to take you over my computer and show you this website that I've built for you. So just to be clear, when you sign up for this program, you get this exact website. We'll add your business name, logo, contact information, and online scheduling link if you have one. The website has a nice header section with a button to schedule appointments online. It's clean and easy to read and has the right messaging to build trust with your potential clients, so they're going to want to book an appointment with you right off the bat. So if you've been thinking that you need a new website for your business and you don't want to take the time to build it yourself, I'll make this exact website for you. Put your name and your contact information on it so it's yours. Here's the thing, if you're gonna hire a web developer to build your website for you, you need to think through the messaging, the images that you're gonna use, and the design, which takes a lot of mental energy and time. It usually takes no less than a month to get online. It would cost you between $2,000 and $5,000. All that heavy lifting I've already done for you and can have you online in days for an extremely low monthly payment. So why am I doing this? Because I'm tired of seeing so many hairstylists fail because their website isn't getting them new clients, and I wanted to provide an inexpensive option that every hairstylist can afford. This design and layout are the same that I've used in my salon for the last 12 years, and we consistently get 30 to 40 new clients every month. So if you want the easiest and cheapest way to get your salon website live on the internet in the next few days, the process is really simple. First, click the link down in the description or head over to salongrowthacademy.com/website to take a look at the complete website template that you're going to get. Next, click the green bar that's at the top of that page and enter your checkout information. I'll get to work right away in the next few days, have your own website live on the internet that you can start sending clients to. It's that easy. And if you already have a website and you like this design better, I can easily move your web domain over to this one. So if you have any questions about this templated website service, please post those in the comment section below, and I'll be sure to answer those questions right away. So if you're ready to get your new website online, click the link below and then the green bar at the top of that page. I'm so excited to get going on your website. Thanks for watching, and make today extraordinary.